Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be doing my birthday makeup, and I thought I'd sit down and record it since I haven't done a video in a while. First of all, I hope everyone is having a great new year so far. Let's see what this new year brings for each and every one of us. Hopefully good things. So for today's eyeshadow, I don't know what I want to put on my face. I was thinking about this one that I got recently from Ace Beauté, the Ambience palette, because I have it right here. And it's a beautiful palette, so I don't know if I want to use this one today. I think I'm going to use this one. I'm going to start with my eyes first. So I'm just going to put some concealer on first, if I could find it. I'll be using this one from Superstay. It's from Maybelline, just to cover all the veins. I have very veiny eyelids and discoloration. I had done a review on this palette a while back, about 2 months ago when I got it. I'll link it somewhere at the end of the video or in the screen somewhere in case you're interested in seeing it. I'm gonna set that a little bit with some translucent powder. So I think I'm going to start with the lightest shade, which is called Serene, up here. I'm going to put that all over. So what's up with you? What's new with you? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Actually, my birthday was January 5th, but it was on a Thursday, so all we did was just go and chill somewhere, relax, have a couple of beers, and eat pizza. I love pizza. Because it was a Thursday. I didn't want to go all out and do things, you know. But today is Saturday, so we decided to celebrate it tonight. Probably watch a band or something at a pub somewhere. Now I'm going in with this gorgeous plum color. I've tried that one before and I love it. Is there anything new and exciting in makeup? Because for what I've seen so far, everything's like meh. Nothing really excites me except for the Tarte cream bronzers. They look really good and creamy, and I like the colors. And I'm never excited about Tarte. It's the only thing that I've seen in terms of new makeup releases, but I don't know. And they also have a new palette that I thought was really beautiful. Actually, Wicked Sisters Cosmetics have a new collection coming out soon. I can't remember the date, and it looked really pretty. So I can't wait for that one. Now I'm going to take this shade right here, put that in the outer corner. So in case you're wondering, I am going to be, well, I'm not going to be, I already am, 43 this year. Back when I was in my early 30s, I was like, oh my God, I can't believe when I'm going to be 40. Now that I've been in my 40s a couple of years, I'm like, it's not that bad. You shouldn't be afraid. It's pretty good. It's like the 30s. It is. I like to wing it out a little bit to lift up my droopy eyes. It gives the illusion that your eyes are lifted. Great hack for hooded eyes and for droopy eyes. I highly recommend that. I'm debating on which shimmer. Because they're all beautiful, but I love this purple, and it's kind of shifty a little. Oh, I really like this color a lot, and I do want something dark and smoky, so I think I'm gonna go with that one, which is called Charming. But first I'm gonna put my NYX glitter primer, and I'll be back if I can find it. Oh, that color is so pretty. not too worried about being so precise because I'm gonna be putting a lot of black eyeliner anyway and eyelashes, and that tends to cover up my eye space since I have hooded eyes. I'm gonna leave the eyes like that for now, and I'm gonna prime my face with the e.l.f. Grip primer. There's a new version of this out now which has more skincare in it, and I want to get it. It's as good as this one, but it has more skincare in it and people are loving it, so I want to get it. I'm also going to add this smoothing primer by Malibu Glitz because it blurs my pores. So for foundation, or what I've been doing for a while is, let me explain this first. I got the House Lab foundation because I wanted to try it, and I love it so much. It's so good. It has a lot of skincare in it. It's radiant, but it doesn't leave you too dewy, which I love because I have an oily T-zone, and it lasted all day. Your skin feels very smoothing and natural. It feels like you have nothing on. But the problem is, and I got this when they were having a 20% off on Black Friday, so I was like, okay, I'll get it now. And I did, and I got it, and I love it, but it's not my right shade. Unfortunately, it's like 2 shades too dark. So what I've been doing is mixing it with my Infallible by L'Oreal, this is my perfect match. So I take this one and a little bit of this one and mix it up so I can have a better shade, because this one's way too dark. And I'm so upset that I didn't get it in my right shade because I really love this one a lot. So I just mix it in the back of my hand. 1 pump of this one and like half of pump of this one. I'm right there. It always happens to me. Every time I order a foundation online, it's either too light on me or too dark. I can never nail, like pinpoint my shade. It didn't look so dark in the website, but when it got here, it was way too dark. I'm gonna add the tiniest amount of the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer right in here because it's too dark. The tiniest amount. Right there. That's way too much. I'm gonna set everything with this one. I got this one from Pure Cosmetics. So I'm a Capricorn. What's your sign? I'll be using this one for bronzer. A little bit of blush by Bay Beauty, and this is in shade Beach Blush. This one has some sheen in it, some shine in it. So I don't know if I'm gonna wear highlighter. And I'll add just a little bit of highlight in certain areas by the Michaela and Glam Light. Like putting it right here. That's a lot. Uh-oh. Right there. Just putting a little bit of right over here. A little bit here to lift this eye up. I saw somebody doing that on TikTok and it looked so beautiful, and it does create like a lifted effect. And whatever's left on the brush, then I'll bring it down here. And I'm also going to use that for my brow bone. right in that inner corner. Let me tone this down. So now I'm gonna go back in with that first shade that I used, the peach color. I'm gonna put that underneath my eyes. I'm gonna take that plum color, put it closer to the lower lash line. Okay, so I finished my lower lash line. I put eyeliner on. I have to do that off camera because I can't do it on camera. I just can't. For lashes, I ended up using these from AOA. Love them. Now for lips, I'm gonna do this combo that I've been loving, and this is the Milani lipstick in shade Secret. And I top it off with the Lunar Beauty in shade Starlight. So this is it. This is the final look. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair yet. I'll probably make some waves, make it wavy, but I don't know yet. So again, Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you're having a great year so far, and if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. So I'm a pet. Because it's as good as it was my. I'm super excited because so in today's video I'm gonna be doing my makeup video. Wow, I'm rusty. So I'm just gonna prime them. I'm not gonna prime them. I'm getting hungry. And I'm not gonna eat now. I'm gonna eat later.